Now our next program is checking a number is a prime number or not. So first of all, what is a prime number? Then procedure, then program. So what is a prime number? If a number is divisible by 1 and itself, no other number should divide it, then that number is a prime number. Example, I have number here 8. What are the factors of a number? 1, 2, 4, 8. How many factors are there? 4. It's not a prime number. How many factors must be there? Only 2. Let us take another number 13. What are the factors of 13? 13 is exactly divisible by 1 and 13 itself. So how many factors are there? Count. Only 2. Yes, it is a prime number. Then one more number 15. What are the factors? 1, 3, 5 and 15. Total how many factors? Count. Total 4 are there. It's not a prime number. So simple. So do you know how to find factors? Yes, already we have seen this. Whatever the number is given, we start from 1 and up to that number we will check. And if it is exactly divisible, mod is 0, then it is a factor. We have already done this. One time we were printing factors. Second time in a perfect number we have added them. Now what we have to do? Count them. So yes, that's all. Simple change in the logic. So count them and at the end check if the count is true, then it is a prime number. So how to count? So for that I should have one variable count, right? Initially count should be is equals to 0. Then that count I should make it as 1 here and here it is a factor, so make it 2. And that count I should make it 1 here because 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, make it 2. Then 4 is also a factor, so increment it to 3. Then 8 is also factor, increment to 4. So what I should do every time? Count plus plus. Whenever this condition is true, count plus plus, increment count. And at the end, check what is the count? 4. It's not a prime. See, for all these things we have the code ready here. This loop and checking whether it's a factor or not. Then here we were printing and one time we were finding sum. Now we have to count. So count I have taken. Here simply write count plus plus. At the end of the table you check. So at the end of a loop check. What to check here? If count is equals to 2, then it's a prime number. So here only I will write down C out. It's a prime. It's a prime number, right? Then else you can write type like this also. You don't have to write in next line and again give gap. In the same line also you can continue. C out, say not a prime number. Yes, this is simple. Finished. That's the end of a program. So this program is for checking if a number is prime or not. So in our example, this is not a prime number. If it is 13 or 7 or 11, these are all prime numbers. If I write few prime numbers, let us see. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 and 7, then 11, then 13, then 17, right? So on, like this. These are the prime numbers. 19 and 23, these are the prime numbers. All of them will have factors, only 2 factors. So that's what, count the factors. If there are 2, then say it's a prime, otherwise not a prime. So write this program. There is a demo also available, right? And there are some coding exercises. Do that related to this topic only. Usually I starts from 0 when you use for loop, but in our examples I was starting from 1 onwards. Then every time we were either adding or multiplying or checking the condition, counting, something we were doing based on this one. So all the programs till now using loops that we saw, they are on similar pattern. Some minor changes are there. So we learn how to add the values. We learn how to check the condition, right? How to check the condition. So these are the things we have learned. So you can use them in solving other problems. So these are the basic elements we have learned. It's not that just we have solved prime number problem. We have not just written its program. We have learned something here, right? So like counting can be done and at the end we can check the count. So we have got an approach here. So this approach you have to use it in other programs, other exercises. That's all in this video. We'll continue with few more programs using loops.